Hi everyone, Joe Gentile at Sarraf Gentile LLP. So most of my videos, if you've been watching, we try to give a lot of detailed information on the law. A lot of law firms, their content tends to be pretty story driven about how they help clients and the results of their work and so on and so forth, which is all very helpful. It's great. But we try to do a different tact. We really try to orient our content towards explaining the law to people and explaining the law um, in pretty niche areas that we focus on where there's not really a lot of material out there publicly. Today's video is going to be a little different. So in today's video, we're going to talk more about my law firm, Sarraf Gentile LLP. And I want to go through the different areas of like legal problems that we can help with, because we're a pretty unique law firm in what we focus on, and it doesn't neatly fit into a lot of the categories that are out there. So here's what we can help with. Here's what we have a lot of experience in. So number one, if you have a long delay for an immigration petition, if you filed, pick your petition type, you're waiting for an interview, you're waiting for a decision, it's been years, we're able to help with mandamus lawsuits. We file a lot of these cases all over the country. We have deep expertise in it and have a very good track record with it as well. So that's one area we can help with. Number two, we can help reverse wrongly decided immigration denials. So if you apply for something, USCIS makes a mistake, they deny you. A lot of times, if there's a mistake there, we're able to help people through federal litigation reverse that. In certain situations, even consulate denials, which are notoriously hard to deal with, we have some strategies where we could sometimes help people reverse consulate denials. So that's the second thing we can help with. The third thing revolves around EB-5. So for EB-5 investors, of course, we could help them with mandamus lawsuits as well if there's delays. But an area that we can help with that not many others do is if there's a dispute over getting your money back. You think you're supposed to get your money back now. The project's saying not now, years from now, maybe never. We can help negotiate and litigate to get money back. Or if the regional center is not cooperating to help you respond to a notice of intent to deny or a RFE, we can help compel that cooperation. Number four, we help with people reporting fraudulent activity that's fraudulent against investors, like in the EB-5 context or other securities law context, or against the government. And we help them avail themselves to the protections of the whistleblower laws if they do that, and also to try to claim the very large financial rewards that exist for whistleblowers that help either the federal government, the SEC, or certain state governments. And number five, we have a long history of working on class action cases. So if you have an issue of an investor fraud or fraud against insurance policy holders, frauds against immigrants, all different types of frauds or ways people get ripped off, we have a long history of helping with class actions. And so that is it. That's all we do. We, aside from some pro bono work, we don't do any immigration petitions. So if you have an immigration petition issue, if you want to apply for a green card, anything like that, I'm happy if you contact us with that. But what we're going to do is refer you to another trusted attorney that's better suited to handle those cases. We only handle litigation, and mostly federal litigation. And I think within the immigration world, that's what makes us unique. There are not many firms out there that solely focus on litigation. Other firms that do litigation, they mostly will do it kind of as an add-on to their petitions practice. There's some other purely immigration litigation attorneys out there, but there's not many of us. The part that really, I think, makes us unique in the litigation world, especially around immigration, is that we also have this expertise through decades of doing fraud cases around the whistleblower statutes and around the securities laws and class actions. And so when you combine that with a lot of the things that are happening in immigration, I'm not aware of other law firms that have that specific combination. And our depth of experience in the whistleblower laws and in the fraud laws is pretty deep. We've handled a lot of complex cases. We've won some very big cases. We've lost some cases, but we continue to learn. Our clients have recovered many millions of dollars. The government's recovered over $1 billion on cases we've been involved in. So we've handled some very high-end cases. And the other thing is we try to make it a point to treat the people that we work with, our clients, our colleagues. We try to treat them with respect and care. And it's sincere. We really do care about our clients and our colleagues. And I think a lot of our clients would attest to that. So that is the scope of what we do. We focus really deeply on a few narrow areas of law, and we try to stay in our lane with those things. So if you have any questions or you think there's something that we could potentially help with, please feel free to reach out. Thanks, and I hope you subscribe for future videos. Bye.